Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Escape from Tarkov, freezing, launching, it won't open, crashes instantly and stop responding. Follow this solution step by step and we'll get your game running again. Solution 1. First, open your Steam, go to your library, find Escape from Tarkov, right click the game, select properties, click on install files, then click verify integrity of game files. Steam will now scan and repair any missing or corrupted files. Once it finishes, try launching the game again. Solution 2. Go ahead and update your graphics card driver to the latest version. Now go ahead and right click and click on NVIDIA app. On NVIDIA app, go ahead and click on the drivers menu. Once there, just go ahead and refresh and find the latest version of your graphics card driver. Once done, go ahead and restart your PC and reboot and relaunch the game to see if it works. Now, solution 3. This fixes missing system components the game needs to run. Open your browser and then type in C++ redistributable and click on the first Microsoft link. On the link, go ahead and scroll down until you see the second table, which has x64 and x86. Go ahead and click on those and download it. Once downloaded, go ahead and run it. Once you download it and restart your PC, it should launch and run the games normally. And that's it. Now you have 3 solutions to fix Escape from Tarkov from not launching or crashing on PC. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.